The widow's oil. There was a widow, a woman whose husband had died, that had 2 sons. She owed some people money. She told Elisha that they were going to take her sons to work for them if she didn't pay what she owed. Elisha was a prophet. A prophet was a speaker for God. Elisha didn't know what he could do to help her. So he asked her what she had in her house. She told Elisha that all she had in the house was a jar of oil. Elisha told her to borrow empty pots from all her neighbors, not just a few, but all she could find. Elisha told her that when she went back home to shut the door and pour her oil into all the empty pots, then set the full pots to the side. The widow went back and told Elisha that all the pots were full. Elisha told her to sell the oil, pay back the money she owed, and live on the money that was left over. God took care of the widow. She did exactly what Elisha the prophet told her to do. The widow was able to pay the money she owed and keep her sons safe.